So I've just spent a couple of hours adding some detail to the set. All I've really been doing is measuring, cutting and gluing pieces of cardboard all over the surface until I think I've got enough detail to be ready to start painting. But before we paint the set, there's one more job to do. I need to go around the edges of the card with this filler gun to make sure we can't see the corrugated edges that would give the game away. I can also use the filler to seal up any joins and cracks so the surfaces are continuous, and then we'll be ready for the first coat of paint. So it took about half an hour to use the grout gun to fill in most of the gaps and cracks on the set. And now we're ready to start painting. We're going to be using water-based acrylic paints, and it's really important that you don't put the paint on too thickly, because if you get the cardboard wet, there's a danger it's going to bend and warp as it dries, and we don't really want that. So I'll be applying lots of thin layers and letting them dry between coats. I've now finished painting the base coat of colours, and you'll notice that I've used quite dark and saturated tones for the base coat. The next stage is to put in the highlights using a process called dry brush. We've now finished the painting stage. So in the next video we'll go on to set dressing and we'll add some props. We'll also wire up some practical lighting, and then we'll be ready to start animating.